Hey everyone, Simon here with Tech That Doesn't Bite. I just want to make this little video about our channel. Just want to give you guys a little update. First of all, me and Jeff want to thank you guys for subscribing, leaving your comments. We really appreciate it. We never thought the channel will be growing at this pace right now, so we really appreciate it. And we're not going away at all. We just want to make you a little update video about what's going to be coming pretty soon. We're going to start kind of a tech news segment, kind of a videos every week, but we're also doing product reviews as well. Now, you might not see a product review video this week because we're still reviewing certain products. We wanted to take our time with the products, use them, or take our time with the certain wireless carrier that we're testing out. So we want to make our reviews as best as possible, so you guys get the most out of it. We want to make sure that you guys get the information that you need from us. So that's why we're taking our little time with our reviews, but don't worry, they'll come out pretty soon. So we want to thank you guys again for watching, subscribing, and please share our channel with your friends or family. Have them subscribe, like our videos, and leave your comments as well. And if you guys have any suggestions on certain products you want us to review, please leave a comment below. And also, if you have any tech questions, also fill out that form that we have in the description. It's a Google form. You just fill it out, we'll get notified, and we'll answer those questions as well. But in the meantime, check out some of our other tech videos that we've been making, and we'll be back next week. Bye everyone.